Hi, grade 1 Egyptian syllabus. Today I will continue unit 6, lesson 3 and 4, unit 6, and this is the last unit in your book. But before I will go to our unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today I will end from unit 6 in grade 1 new syllabus book, new Egyptian syllabus book. Let's go to read the words related in this unit. In this unit, we have some new vocab about pets. Pets means the animals that we can leave it in our homes. Like what? Like we have here cat, dog, turtle, bird. Here is the preposition on. So here is in, not on. Here is in. Here is on. Here is under. So here we learn 3 prepositions, which is in, on, under. We have here coach and coach, coach and coach. I will repeat again the words that related in this lesson: cat, dog, turtle, bird. In, on, under. Coach and coach. Let's go to this lesson. Here is a dialogue between Ali and Hannah. Look, Ali ask Ali talking to Hannah and saying, look, the cat is on my bed. The cat is on my leg. This is the cat. Hannah, where is the bed? Where is the dog? So here I ask the place that the dog disappeared on. Okay, the dog is on the couch. So the dog is on the couch. Hannah, what about the bird? The bird is on in the couch. Couch here means the place that the birds live in. This is the couch. And the turtle. The turtle is under the table. I love beets. Me too. Let's go to another. Let's go to learn more about this proposition. In, on, under. Where is the fox? The fox is in the box. Where is the fox? The fox is on the box. Where is the fox? The fox is under the box. So here we learn the different proposition: in, on, under. Repeat after me: in, on, under. Let's go to another expressions that we know during this lesson. In this lesson we learn I love pets and me too. Here is we have some words. I would like to trace it after I leave the link of this book below the video to trace and practice how to write these words. And these words important to learn how to write it. Okay, here we have bits, turtle, coach. Here is bits, turtle, and coach, and under. Okay, let's go to another one here. I will answer the general test, okay? After I explain the lessons, okay? Because I don't want to make the video longer. First I explain and then answer the general exercise on the unit, okay? Here we have lesson 4. The words begin with letter U, okay? Here is we know letter U, like what? U, we have umbrella, we have unlock, we have under, we have up. All these words started by letter U. Here we have up, unlock, under, umbrella. I will repeat after me. Up, unlock, under, umbrella. Here is letter U. I would like to see how to write it. This is capital U and small u, capital U and small u. Okay, I will leave also the book, and I hope to do it by yourself, to copy and write it by yourself. Okay, to trace how to write it. Let's go to another letter, which is letter J, capital J and small j. J for what? J for Jane, J for Jane, J for jar, J for jar, J for jacket, J for jacket, J for jeans, J for jeans, jellyfish, J for jellyfish, jellyfish. I will repeat it after me. Here is we say Jane, J for Jane, J for Jane, J for jar, J for jar. We say jar of Jane, jar of Jane. Here we have jellyfish, jellyfish, jeans, jacket, jellyfish, jeans, jacket. And I would like to pronounce that J, pronounce as D, J. We say here. If you look up at the dictionary, you can see how to write it in the dictionary. Okay, here is we have umbrella, unlock, jeans, jellyfish. Okay. There is a review on Unit 6. Let's learn the words that we know in this unit. In this unit, we learn grain. Here is here is to say grandfather. It's not grandfather. It's monkey. Not to say wrong. It would be here monkey, not grandfather. I have a mistake here. This is my monkey. Monkey. Here is monkey, elephant, lion, tiger. Have misprinting here. In, on, under. I will repeat again. Monkey, elephant, lion, tiger, under, on, in. Okay, let's go to another one. Here we have cat, dog, turtle, bird. Cat, dog, turtle, bird. Here is we have letter B. Here is banana, bird, bite, banana, bird, and bite. Lamb, lemon, leaf. Lamb, lemon, leaf. This letter what? This is letter B, capital B and small b. I would like to remind you how to write capital B and small b, and to write capital L and small l. This is capital L and small l, and this is capital B and small b. B for banana, for bird and bite. Here is lamb, lemon, and leaf. Okay, I would like to continue the review. Then I answer the general questions on this unit. Okay. Here we learn some language functions. Let's learn it together. We use where we use where to ask about the place. In this unit, we learn when we use where to ask about place, like this one. When we say where is the fox is in the books. When we say how many legs does a chicken have, the chicken has 2 legs. So here I ask about numbers. Here is we use a and n, and we know that and we use with vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. Okay. This is the dictation. Now we know the words, and you can write it by yourself. Here we say, here is under. Okay, I write some of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. I see you how to write it. Here is under. Here is bike. Here is tiger. Okay. Here is tiger. Okay. Here is tiger. Here is lamb. Here is banana and ball and so on. Here is turtle. Okay. I don't write it all the words. Why? Because I leave you the space to keep it and write it by yourself. Here is under. Here is bike. Here is tiger, lamb, turtle. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Okay. Here is the practice on unit. Let's do it together. Okay. Here we say, here we have jacket. Which one jacket is this one? So I select this one by this one. Snack, this one by this one. Bike, this one by this one. Turtle, where is the turtle? This one by this one. Umbrella, this one by this one. Let's do this exercise together. A cat is a space animal. It's a jungle, beat, see, no, speed. Why? Because you can take it in our home and leave it with us. Okay, so here is a cat is a big animal. Space is the bird. So I ask about the place of the bird. It will be what? Some of you say, Miss Iman, why you don't say how many? Because here isn't a number to say how many, and we know that how many asking about what? Asking about number. So here I ask the place of the bird. You can say the bird is in the nest, for example, or the bird is on the tree. If the bird is on the tree, so here I ask the about the place that the bird in. Okay, so here it will be where is the bird? A dog has here 2 legs. I can see 5. More than one must be followed by what? By S. So it will be here 5 dogs. The turtle is space the table. The turtle is under the table. Coach, which one is coach? This one. I'm listening to say, the first one, you are clever people. Tiger. The last one, you are clever people. Jeans. This is jeans. Lemon, the last one. We are clever people. Let's do this exercise together. Here is Kate. Which one is Kate? This one. I'm listening. Which means that Kate is this one. A dog. Which one? This one. In this one. A bird. This one. We are clever people. Let's do this exercise. Subject plus verb plus object. You say, Miss Iman, you are bored from this rule. I know that you are bored and I'm bored as you, but we must write it. Why? To answer this question in correct way. To answer this question in correct way, we must write this rule to know how to start your sentence. So I start sentence by subject, then by verb, then by object. Can say, Miss Iman, is it for all the sentence? No, it's not for all the sentence, for the statement sentence only. In the question form, I replace the verb instead of subject, as we know here in this. Sentence. So here's the first one. Where is the subject here? It will be here, the elephant. So I start the sentence by the elephant. So here is I write the subject. Where is the verb? Has. So the elephant has how many legs? 4 legs. It will be here 4 legs. Some of you saying if we write it in numbers, it's correct? No, it's not correct. Why? Because as we write it as in the sentence must be written. Don't make anything from your mind. So here he write it in letters, so I write it in letters. If we write it in numbers, you can write it in numbers. Okay, you must take care when you answer it in the exam. So the answer it will be the elephant has 4 legs. Let's go to another one. Here it will be where I ask about where here is the place. Where is the bird? Where is the bird? So here where is the verb right here, and the verb at the last of the part of the sentence. It will be here is. Okay, so in the question form, we do we replace the verb instead of what subject, like this. Where is the bird? So I say I love jungle animals. I love. It will be here. I love jungle animals. So the animals that live in the forest or in the jungle. So it will be I love jungle animals. Okay. I think it's the last sentence here, and there isn't any sentence after that. I would like to see. Then if we have a sentences, I will leave some of these exercises. I will leave exercises. Some of this sentence to do it by yourself as a homework. Let's know if we have a sentence. If I have the rest of the sentence here. Here we have a sentence. So here we have another sentence here. It will be here what? How many monks are there? Here it will be here what? It will be here Paul. I answer one of them and I will 2 of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay. Here is Paul and here is up. This question must be keep the vocab to answer this question. Okay, must keep the vocab in the rearrange and in the message letters. Must keep the vocab to answer this question. How many legs does a chicken? Chicken has how many legs? 4. A chicken has here is how many legs does a chicken? It will be chicken. It will be have. Why? Because here I have does and I return the verb to the stem. It will be have. So that a chicken has 4 legs. Okay. Here is a review on lesson in units 4, 5, 6. I will make this review next class. Okay. So here here we finished from unit 6. We end from our book. Next class I will make a review on units 4, 5, and 6. And after that I will have an assignment revision, assignment your assignment book that with your textbook. But before later we will do this review. Today we end from our book. I hope to benefit and enjoy during this term. Study well. Thanks a lot, and to you meet again. Goodbye.